Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Beyond the Briefcase. I hope you're doing well. So recently, Allahabad High Court passed a judgment which definitely doesn't suit the judiciary thoughts and ideology. So recently, Supreme Court stayed that particular judgment ruling passed by Allahabad High Court, in which the Allahabad High Court said that grabbing breast and breaking pajama strings of minor girl was an attempt to rape. So it was very insensitive ruling passed by the Allahabad High Court, said by the Honorable Supreme Court. Also today, what exactly Supreme Court said on this particular matter and why it is very important, because as we know that many of the times when anyone tries to rape or anyone tries to molest any minor girl, so this particular thought and judgment becomes very important, in terms of judicial precedent. So honorable Supreme Court on Wednesday state the controversial order passed by the Allahabad High Court, that grabbing the breast of a minor girl, breaking the string of a pajama, and trying to drag her beneath a culvert would not come under the offense of attempt to rape, which is definitely very invalid point. So the High Court had observed that X would prima facie constitute the offense of aggravated sexual assault under the POCSO Act, which carries a lesser punishment. But on Wednesday, the bench comprising Justice B.R. Gawai and Justice A.G. Mashi, considering a suo motu case initiated against the High Court's order, which created a lot of public outrage, expressed its strong disagreement with the High Court's view, and the bench observed that High Court's order was shocking. Definitely, it was a very shocking order. I fail to understand what was exactly going in the mind of Honorable High Court judge when he was passing this sort of order. Also, a comment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court that we are at pains to say that some of the observations made in the impugned judgment, particularly paras 21, 24, 26, depict a total lack of sensitivity on the part of author of the judgment. So this was a comment passed by the Honorable Supreme Court. Also, the Solicitor General of India, Tushar Mehta, appeared today and denounced the judgment, saying that it was shocking. So, the cognizance is taken based on the letter sent by Senior Advocate Shobha Gupta on the behalf of NGO We the Women of India, and the Honorable Court took the cognizance, suo motu cognizance of the same. Also, so in this particular case, prosecution that the accused persons, Pawan and Akash, grabbed the breast of 11-year-old victim, and one of them, namely Akash, broke the string of her pajama and tried to drag her beneath the culvert, finding it to be cause of attempt to rape or attempt to commit penetrative sexual assault within the purview of POCSO. The concerned trial court invoked Section 376 with Section 18, attempt to commit an offence of the POCSO Act, issued summoning order against these sections. And the High Court instead directed that the accused be tried under the minor charge of Section 354 BIPC, read with Section 9 and 10 of FOXO Act. I don't understand that why the Honorable High Court, you know, took this matter very lightly, and they changed the whole sections, because if you see in the trial court gave a fantastic judgment with regard to this particular issue, because the trial court involved section 376 read with section 18 of POCSO Act, which was very accurate in particular to this particular matter. But High Court, they changed the whole charges, and they instead, directed to try those accused people under 354 and 9 and 10, which are very minor charges. So this changing of charges create a huge controversy, and people definitely public criticize this particular judgment. Also, uh, so that was it, and in the case name was, uh, you can see the citation. It was criminal revision number 1449 2024, and SMWC a criminal number 1 oblique 2025. So As of now, the Honorable Supreme Court, they have taken the matter in their own hands, and let's see what exactly happens in the further proceedings. Thank you so much for watching. Do share this knowledge. Do share this precedent with your friends who are currently practicing or who are currently into academics, because generally we see a lot of matter in POXO and such type of judgments. It tells you how to exactly carry forward those cases which comes into the ambit of POXO. So this judgment is very important when we talk about POXO. So thank you so much for watching. Do like and subscribe my channel for more informative videos.